Well, y'all know what that means. Time to turn around and go the other way. What's going on, guys? Let me tell y'all what I'm about to do. I've got a lot of work I've got to do this evening and tonight, but my propane ran out in my shop, so I had to run out to the store and get some propane bottles filled. So what I decided to do was throw my fishing rod in the truck, and today there's a front coming through. It's about 50 degrees and it's been raining, and it's still raining on and off. But this time of year in the past, I think this is the 2nd of February, I've had some of my best days fishing I've ever had this time of year in weather like this with the front coming through, especially when it's been so cold, and this is actually kind of warm for the month. All I brought was one rod and one spinnerbait and a pair of pliers. We may get soaking wet, we may not catch anything, but I haven't been fishing since September, and I'm so sick of sitting in a deer stand that today I want to see if I can't catch something. So let's go and see what we can do. There's a fish, guys. Yes, sir. How about that? Well, first fish of 2022, baby. Pretty bass. Ain't too bad for a cold, rainy day. Man, that's what I like. We can just do that about 20 more times, we'll be good. Kind of glad it stopped raining for just a minute. It was raining hard this morning. I was really wanting to come out here and fish some of this front, but I woke up a little bit late, wanted to fish in front of it, and by the time I got up and kind of got ready to go, it was pouring down rain. Oh my gosh. I'm sure y'all probably couldn't see that, but I just had a big fish follow that back to the bank. Oh man, please eat it. Please eat it. That was a really good fish, guys. Man, I would have loved to have had that one. There's one. Yeah, little bitty fella. He hit it a little faster retrieve. I may have to speed up my retrieve just a little bit. Go on now. Go on now. There he goes. I had one a little faster retrieve. It being this cold, I've been kind of slow rolling it, but water is really clear, so maybe getting a little too good a look at it if I'm going too slow. There he is. 3. Number 3. Not too bad for a cold, rainy day. I'm telling you, I'm already fired up. If that's all I catch the rest of the day, this is just fun. It ain't too cold. I can actually be outside and enjoy it. I got to feel a fish for the first time in about 5 months. Sometimes this time of year, you can catch just out of nowhere a giant. So that one I saw down there that followed it to the bank, he looked like he was probably 5+. He was a good fish. He just knew something wasn't right. Comes that rain picking up. Gonna get a little nasty. You know what they say, the fish are already wet. There he is. Hit right under me. I was just about to say there's usually fish by this bridge, and there's one right there. See if we can do that again. Number 4. Oh man, I just missed him. Just missed him. Let's see if his buddy's out there ready to eat. So I didn't get a hook in that one. He may come back again. Come on, guy. You know you hungry. Well, y'all know what that means. Time to turn around and go the other way. You should never underestimate the opportunities of your local golf course. And as long as you make sure you stay off the property that nobody wants you on and stay out of the way of the golfers, 9 times out of 10, nobody cares if you fish. And the only thing anybody has ever said to me was, how many of you caught? Man, I can't end on 4 now. You gotta catch at least 5. Come on, fish. I know you're in here. Got you a delicious spinnerbait. There's a log down in the water right here. I'm probably either gonna get hung or catch a fish. One of the two. No fish. Okay, fantastic. Guys, we are just about at the end of the line here, and it looks like I'm going to end with a 4. That is not acceptable. I mean, I really didn't think I was going to catch anything, but man, at least 5. I know there's probably one right past the no fishing sign. That's usually the best fishing in the whole lake. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much gonna wrap that up. Ended up with 4 fish. Really wanted to try and catch 5 after I'd caught 4. I'm really fired up about turkey season and about doing some fishing. And man, we got a few more, 2 weeks left of deer season, week and a half. And I'll be able to wrap that up and swap gears and start looking forward to spring. So we're going to head on down the road, get back to the shop, and hope y'all enjoyed this little video. We'll see y'all next time.